Okay folks, today we're going to test, or attempt anyway, to test this vintage Smith's 80 mile an hour speedometer. And what we have here is we have the speedometer and we have a drill with the proper input on it. And I'm just going to show you that it functions. It might not be the smoothest test going, but at least you'll be able to see it does work as it should. One thing I should say about these, if you're not familiar with these chronometric tacks, they're basically like function kind of like a clock inside. So you'll see the needle move from one position to another position. It's not smooth like your standard cable-driven magnetic tack. These ones actually kind of clock, and it's really cool to watch them work. So you'll see what I'm talking about once we get going here. So I'm just going to insert the unit, make sure that we can still see on the camera, and sorry for the glare, but it is what it is. So you can see it kind of clocking. Unfortunately, the drill only goes so fast here, so that's as fast as we can get it to. But if I slow it down, you'll be able to see it see how it clocks over, which is super cool. Hopefully you can see the trip odometer moving there. I'll let the trip odometer go through the whole deal, and I'll get us all the way through up to 11676 miles, so you can see that the odometer also works. So I'll increase our speed again. And there we go on the trip odometer. Our trip odometer should be coming over to 189 right now. And then I'll slow us down just again so I can show you. So we'll go down to 10 miles an hour and then we'll cruise on up. Super cool. These tacks are so awesome. And who knows how long until we get to flipping the mile over on the odometer, but we'll go until we do. So I'll slow us down again just because we've been doing it. I'll slow us down to 0 just so you can show what 0 is. There's 0. And then back to our cool clock movement. So it should happen here sometime. I don't remember what we started at on the trip odometer, but it'll move eventually. Oh, there we go. See the odometer moving on the top there? And there's our full rotation to 11676. Anyway, really cool. Another cool thing I'll show you about these is see how it stops right there? Until you move it a little bit, it won't go back. So if we go here and we just were to shut the bike off, it would stop right there until it moves a little bit and then has the chance to clock back to 0 again. Anyway, super cool vintage Smith's speedometer. If you've been looking for one, this one has the little rubber isolator that I assume is original to it. It fits it really nice. The face is just absolutely awesome. You'll see more. The glass is super clear. The back is really nice. I believe this is the trip reset. We'll try that in a minute. I believe this is a lamp. I haven't opened it up, but we can do that right now. So there's a spring there and then some sort of a socket. Pull it out nice and easy. Nice and easy. It is a lamp, I can tell you that. There we go. So there you go. That's the lamp. And I'll put this back together after when I have two hands. And then let's check the trip odometer here. So I'll set you back down. And I don't know how this works, but okay, pull it out and we twist it. And then I think eventually we get back down to 0. So anyway, there you go. The trip odometer is reset. Just a really, really cool vintage Smith's speedometer. I'm not sure which old motorcycle this fits, but I'm sure a quick Google search will tell me, so it'll be in the description. But it looks like our, will it focus? Yeah, so S.467- either I or 1-L. Anyway, you'll see more in the pictures, but just a really, really cool tack, guys, or speedometer rather. Don't miss it.